Alright, in this tutorial we're going to be creating our levitation photo. So to do that, first click on Create New. It doesn't matter what the sizes are going to be for this one because we're not going to use it. We just need to get to a tool in Photoshop. So just create, don't need to change anything. Next step is you're going to click on File, go down to Scripts, and we're going to load files into Stack. Then you're going to browse to find your two images, the image of the background and then the image of you sitting on something or standing on something. These two. And then once you've selected which two images you want, click on Attempt to automatically align source images. This is going to try and line up all the vertical and horizontal lines. And it'll take out any of that camera shake from pushing the button. And then what it's going to do is it's going to put them directly on top of each other. It's going to do its best to line them up. And this might take a minute or two. Alright, and then once our images are in, we're going to make sure we're on the Move tool. Just click to the side to get rid of the crop box. And now what we have is two images. So the first image, I have me standing on this chair, and I have my computer on this stool. And if I hide that, I have the exact same setting, just without me, the chair, and the stool. So nothing really changes, the light doesn't change, and everything's lined up. So just like we did our multiple exposure, we're going to be adding a layer mask. So click on your top layer. We need it on our top layer because we're trying to get the stool and the chair away so it looks like I'm floating. If I added it to the bottom layer and erased, it would have this checkerboard because there's nothing behind the bottom layer. Now that I'm in my layer mask, make sure you click on it. You can hit B on your keyboard or click on the brush tool and then make sure you're on the white or on the black color brush. You can then go to your brush and you can find whatever brush you'd like. I would turn down the hardness and which will take away kind of those sharp edges. And then you're just going to be erasing whatever you used to stand on or to sit on, making it look like you're levitating. So that's going to get rid of the chair for me. I'm going to zoom in with Command plus. I'm going to use spacebar to move around. This was not the best photo. And just getting as close as I can. I'm going to trim my photo. And it's best to do this in little clicks. You don't want to do a huge segment and then mess up, because if you hit Command Z, it's going to take you back more than just one step. Alright, I'm going to turn my brush size back up. Get rid of the rest of this. I'm also going to get rid of this stool for my computer. I'm just cleaning up any shadows and stuff down here. Alright, it kind of... And there you have it. So then you would need to save it. So to do that, you go File, Export, Export As. And you're going to save it as a JPG. Click Export. And you're going to save this as Levitation. And then you're going to put your name. And then click Save.